Okay, welcome to week 3 of English 1010. I just want to draw your attention first to the right-hand column of your course where I have all of these resources, the MLA formatted writing template, summary template. Um, Templates are used in this class a lot because it gives you a good pattern for writing. And so I want you to actually use these. It shows you what it should look like, and then you insert your own material. And soon you'll be able to do that without a template, but I want you to start getting used to using them. I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to show you the writing template or the MLA formatted writing template. Okay, sorry. Here we are. This is the template I've created to help you with your papers. This is what your paper should look like, and that goes for every single paper that you write in this class, whether it be a short essay or a long research paper. It should be formatted this way. So your last name and page number up in the top right corner, your first and last name, my name, English 1010, and the date, so you can change that. The title centered, not underline, not in bold. In fact, there is no underlining in MLA format, so just take that feature off. The first paragraph is indented using the tab. When you get to the end of the paragraph, you just go to the next line and tab in. You don't add an extra space here. And when you get to your works cited list, it's centered. It's just at the bottom of what you've written. You don't need to create a separate page for it. And this is an MLA citation from your book, They Say, I Say, one of the articles in your book that we will actually be reading. So when you are citing the article that you've read from our textbook, it should look like this. You can actually just copy this and replace this part with the actual author of the article and the title of the article, and then change the page numbers here. And so if you want, you can always use this template and actually just make a copy of it and change it to have your own information in it, so that it will always have the 12-point font, Times New Roman, and be formatted correctly. So I want you to start using that. Or if you have it down and you don't need it, that's fine. Just make sure your papers look like this. Okay, here we are back in week 3. Oh, sorry. Hold on one second. Okay, so week 3, you will basically be doing a paper called the Literacy Self-Reflection, and this is one that you'll need to save and look at again at the very end of the course. So you'll do some brainstorming to help you gather ideas for the self-reflection, and you'll actually submit your brainstorming ideas to me, and then you'll write this paper. The directions are in assignments 3.1 and 3.2, and so read those carefully, and if you have any questions, let me know. Basically, you're going to explore your relationship that you've had with literacy, with writing and reading, over the years from the time that you were first exposed to the written word, and just kind of talk about stories that are interesting that have to do with literacy. So that's it for the week. It's kind of actually a big assignment as far as how it's weighted and what it's worth in this class. So make sure you get started on it early and ask questions if you need them. Thanks.